It's social emotional learning time, and I found a really great book that I want to read to you. I'm Gonna Like Me by Jamie Lee Curtis and Cornell. And it's all about self esteem, letting off a little self esteem. Okay, hold on, I'm turning the pages. I'm gonna like me when I jump out of bed, from my giant big toe to the braids on my head. I'm gonna like me when I grin and I see. Sorry, you can't see everything, but you get the gist of it. The space in my mouth where my two teeth used to be. I'm gonna like me wearing flowers and plaid. I have my own style. I don't follow some fad. I just made a text-to-text connection. It made me think of chrysanthemum. Did you think of chrysanthemum? I'm gonna like me when I climb on a wave as the bus pulls away and I'm feeling so brave. I'm gonna like me when I'm called on to stand. I know all my letters like the back of my hand. I'm gonna like me when my answer is wrong. Yay, I like that attitude. What, like thinking my ruler was 10 inches long. I'm gonna like me when I'm sharing my lunch, because just like bananas, friends come in a bunch. That's a big lunch group, lunch bunch. I'm gonna like me when I jump up so high, I'll twist and I'll stretch straight up to the sky. I'm gonna like me when I fall and get hurt and mess up my elbows in pebbles and dirt. I'm gonna like me when I don't run so fast. Then they pick up teams. Then they pick up teams and I'm chosen last. I'm gonna like me when I do the right thing and return what I found, even when it's a rain. I'm gonna like me when I'm feeling strong. I'll walk with a smile, arms swinging, legs long. There's there's this page I just read. I'm gonna like me when I sit with my mom and make a get well card for my sick friend Tom. I'm gonna like me when I eat something new, even if grandma makes octopus soup. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Sounds yummy. I'm gonna like me when I make a mistake and put out the candles on Dad's birthday cake. Too bad you're not here to blow out my birthday candles. I'm gonna like me when I open the box and smile and say thanks, even though I got stalked. I'm gonna like me when I try a new task. I bring in a plate before I am asked. I'm gonna like me when I clean in a flash and play with my brother and take out the trash. That's maybe something you can do while you're working at home. Help out around the house without being asked. I'm gonna like me when I cuddle up tight and know as I'm sleeping I'm safe and all right. I'm gonna like me because I'm loved and I know it. And liking myself is the best way to show it. I'm gonna like me, I already do. But enough about me. How about you? So, we all struggle sometimes about feeling good about ourselves. I do too. I have my days, good days and bad days. But what about you? How about you? Would you go to Flipgrid and share how you're feeling good about yourself, what you're doing to help yourself feel good and strong about yourself? I'd love to hear what you have to say. Keep up that self esteem. I love you.